Imagine a world with fewer conflicts, less violence, less individualism, less predation towards nature. Imagine a world where difference would be an asset. Imagine a world where education for peace would be a priority. Imagine a world where humanity would build its future with one another and not one against the other. This world is possible if each of us works together in synergy with the other to build a society of living better together in peace. It is this man, Sheikh Khaled Bentounis, who in 2014 had the idea to lance a worldwide momentum for the creation of the International Day of Living Together in Peace. This idea was born in Oran, Algeria, during the International Feminine Congress for a Culture of Peace. The first action was to launch an international awareness-raising campaign, mobilizing all parts of civil society. March 2015 saw the first presentation of ASA International NGOs project. Several events were organized around the world, bringing a growing support to this initiative, particularly in France, Turkey, Algeria, the Netherlands, Germany, Spain, and Canada. After 3 long years and numerous meetings in order to convince more and more countries, in September 2017, Algeria tabled the resolution for the adoption of the International Day of Living Together in Peace. On December 8th, 2017, at its 72nd session, the UN General Assembly unanimously adopts, by a consensus of 193 member states, the resolution establishing May 16th each year as the International Day of Living Together in Peace. This day is an invitation for everyone to commit to a more just and fraternal world. A means to strengthen the bonds of mutual respect and reconciliation of the members of the human family. Let us commit on May 16th to join our efforts and face the challenge that awaits us. All of us will gain from this.